Hi guys, welcome back to the Scarecam show. Today we have the 45th chapter of our show and we have 4 different segments full of the funniest scares. And we are going to start with a really good one, the Grumpy People Getting Scared collection. Let's check them out.
What?
You oh, Daddy.
Nick.
Oh, you Why? MySpace. Fucking asshole.
Sí, por lo menos. ¿Y ya viene ahí?
Boop.
I've literally had enough of you.
Spawn at once is like 50, and then you kill one of them spawns, you kill
Go,
two.
Chubo. Go.
Man.
And she's like, why not went on Sunday?
Head. Go away, you. Sorry. You. Oh, you make me look like a. Head. Get.
I love the one where the guy fights with the air. That was too funny. Now guys, we have another segment that has been asked for a lot in the comments. And it's a 2-in-1 segment too. The fake animals and air horn scare cams. Let's check them out.
I don't even know you like that. Yo, brother, you. Take it to the Oh my God. Ah! What the hell? Oh shit! Girl, don't you scare me, you better. Why would you do that?
I'm sorry.
Hey.
What's going on there?
That's it? That's it. Oh wait, don't freak out. There's one.
The fake animal ones are so funny. If you guys want to see more of those scares, we're going to leave the channel names in the description below. Well guys, for our next segment we have a classic, the Coworkers scare cams. Let's check them out.
I'm trying to make a gym buddy. I'm trying to go to the gym with my friend. Jeez.
Oh, you head, dude. Why do you always do that to me? I hate you.
James! Bang!
You. You here yet?
What did you say?
Oh my god!
Damn it, fine.
20 times?
Today, so I think she's so mad.
I'm right here.
Ashley.
What are you Stop doing that. Hi.
Poor girl has had 35 days of him scaring her. Their channel name will be in the description if you guys want to see all of their scares. Now to finish today's show we have our very last segment, the favourite ones. Let's check them out.
Mal cuñado que traigo toda la voy a faltar.
Mark! Back!
You silly.
Bang! Bang! Oh my bad.
Nomás.
La parola.
¡Ay,
atrás.
Agarraste un huevo, güey.
What is your problem?
Well guys, that was all for today's show. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see more of the funniest scares, don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.